Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free beauty. And let's get into what video am I doing? My paid for Boxycharm By Ipsy. So if you're interested in cruelty-free and vegan makeup, subscription unboxings, subscription spoilers, and then makeup reviews and whatever I'm feeling, then I would click subscribe. Thank you so much. Even if you aren't cruelty-free or vegan, perfectly fine. Most people I know are not cruelty-free, and most people are not that I know are not vegan, so no judgment over here. I do get the Ipsy Glam bag, the icon box, every 3 months, and then the Boxycharm By Ipsy and PR as well. I don't get to make those selections. I do get to make these selections, so let's get into this. And I did boost my box. I did say that in my previous spoilers. So I have been wanting to get this palette, okay? And I was really good. When I was working at Ulta, it almost was like, buy me, buy me, buy me. And I was like, no. So I didn't have a job besides working at Ulta, which I was working at part-time. So I did get the Tarte Man-Eater palette, the Tarte Man-Eater After Dark. This came out, I want to say, like when I just started working at Ulta, like September or August of 2022. But look at this. I've not had a Tarte palette in God, what was that palette called? The Tartist in like 2016 for Christmas that I asked my mom for. Look at this though, like, look at that. I wanted this so bad for like fall, but this is gonna possibly be my everyday palette. Only thing is I wish I had my matte greens, because if you know me, I love my matte greens. And also the print is really cute, okay? But like all these are really light, but I'm probably gonna use this one to set my eyeshadow primer. I bet I'm gonna hit pan on this one first. And then I love the yellows. I like the warm tones, even like the mauves and the purples. The shimmers are just gorgeous. I don't see like any true inner corner shade, but that's fine. I mean, I'm not lacking in the makeup over here, okay? But I'm so excited to try this. I'm gonna try it tomorrow. And it's magnetic also, which is nice. The plastic thing just fell out. Which is nice that it's magnetic, and then like the cheetah print or the leopard print. So I'm excited about that. And it was, when you boost your box, it's $15 extra. So, and everything is full size. Then this, I was so excited. The items that Boxycharm chose for me. And so I got the blush palette from Lunar Beauty. Look at the packaging. I don't think you can see all the like holographicness and like, oh God, so pretty. I have the Lunar Beauty New Prism palette on my desk. I have two other palettes from Manny. If you don't know, Manny MUA is a YouTuber. I think he started out on Instagram, but I know him from YouTube. I've been following him for like I bought his Makeup Geek collab, okay, in like 2016. But look at this. First of all, okay, so the packaging, he loves his moons. It's literally raised here. It is stunning. It looks just like the outer packaging. And then look at that. I was just looking at a super, super light blush today. It's looking a little bit more pink on camera, but it's like a peach, and I love warm tone blushes. I'm not a cool tone kind of girly when it comes to blushes. There's only one, I think it's like a satin shade here. This is his, I think, original blush palette. He has another one. And then these two deeper toned, I'm sure I can sheer out. And also I can use any of these as eyeshadow if I want. The Moon Prism blush palette, I'm so excited, so excited. The second item that Boxycharm chose for me is the Beauty Stat Universal Pro Bio Moisture Boost Cream. It has hyaluronic acid, ceramides. It's for all skins. Ultimate hydration, bioferment, nutrient complex, heals, detoxifies, and strengthens. It's made in the USA, fragrance-free, dermatologist tested. I'm very excited to try this. I don't think I've tried anything from this brand. This is my favorite color, first of all, Tiffany, really like turquoise. A small thing, but okay. I'm very excited to try this. It has glycerin, dimethicone as well, and Asian mushroom extract. A bunch of stuff's in here. So very, very, very excited to try this. I was getting low on moisturizers. I have dry / combo skin right now. I'm like a little bit oily in like my T-zone. I have highlighter on, but yeah, so that was a good pick. I'm glad they're cruelty free. And then I tried this out for the first time. So I got this like at 9 o'clock at night while I was doing Ipsy spoilers for May. And so yeah, I got this like at 9 o'clock at night that it was delivered, and I found out this morning. So I'm doing this right after work. This is how I look after work. This is the Kayali Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper. I was actually messaging Angelica Nikovas and Samantha March and also Lisa Budget Beauty being like, what should I get this fragrance or should I get something else? I forgot what the other option that I almost got was. I can't remember. Next month in May, I will show the choices that I had because everybody's choices are different depending on your quiz. I was gonna do that this month, but it just got too busy in the month. I don't work from home. I'm a working mom. I have a 53-mile commute one way. So anyway, but I've never tried a Kayali fragrance and all of them said they didn't like this. So I was super nervous, but I had already made my selection. But I actually like it. I don't know if it lasts a long time, at least on my wrist. So when I spray it on my cardigan, I can still smell it. It is a more I would say a nighttime scent. I don't usually do that nighttime, daytime. I think you can wear whatever you want, but it is a stronger scent, but it does fade throughout the day. So I put this on at 6 a.m. I can't smell it, but the packaging is beautiful. I've never tried Kayali. I've wanted to. I'm still kind of finding myself when it comes to fragrances, but this is, let's see, and it says it's one of the intense ones. It has pink pepper, bergamot, saffron, Bulgarian rose, vanilla orchid, and sandalwood. I can definitely smell the pink pepper. It's not peppery when you think of cracking some pepper on your food, and maybe it's the bergamot I smell and the saffron. I don't really smell a floral, a rose. I don't know what Bulgarian rose smells like. Slight vanilla, but not sweet. It's more of a mature scent, but not what you think of powdery, super ridiculously floral, grandma-y smell. But not that my grandma smelled like that, but yeah, I actually really like it. I want to try the pistachio one. That's the one I want to try, is a pistachio gelato and a couple other ones, but I like this fragrance. I'm going to mix it with some other fragrances too, just to make it more I don't know, slightly sweeter. It's definitely not sweet, but I wouldn't say it's musky. I don't like musky. So I'm actually excited to play with that some more. And then this is from Pink Lips. I've tried, I think, some lip products, and then I think I've tried some primers, but the packaging is cute. It's a rose gold and has stars. This is the Soft Matte Contour Stick. The selections were, some of them were really good, and then other ones I was I don't know. So, but I wanted to try out some different brands. I've only gotten this, I think, in Ipsy, I want to say. But I don't have any other contour sticks, so it looked kind of like my Rare Beauty one that I really liked. Oh, it rolls up and down, good. And it is a true contour shade. So I'm excited about that, because I put a little bit on my finger. Okay. Ooh, it's creamy. Yeah, it's cool tone, a neutral. So that's a contour stick. I'm excited to try that because right now all I have is my Persona one, and that one is pretty warm. This is more like the Rare Beauty one, which I used completely up. So I am excited to try this out. And then last but not least, we have the Nabla Cupid's Arrow Full Color Stylo. It is and the packaging is really pretty. I've never tried anything from Nabla. I've wanted to, I just haven't. I saw some stuff on sale when I was working at Ulta. We would get randomly, and again, I didn't really know what to choose for this one. It's smaller than I thought, but that's fine. I'm just gonna use this as a black eyeliner. Let's see. There is, it's black, but I wouldn't say it's the most black eyeliner. I'm gonna see how it wears on my hand. The packaging is really nice. I've wanted to try Nabla before. It is 100% vegan. I don't know why I say 100%. You can just say vegan. Either something's vegan or it's not vegan, but it's supposed to be, let's see, long wear. It's not in English because here we go. This part of it's not in English, and part of it is in English. That's interesting. It's made in Italy. It is, okay. Oh yeah, it's an Italian brand. Duh. Dispose and recycle, because it's cardboard. 18-month shelf life. Let's see, has it set, because a lot of eyeliners, they don't last in my waterline. I only put black in my upper white, my tight line. I hate when they are not. I can just blend it away. That is kind of disappointing. But maybe I'll use this as a base. Alternate reality. Maybe I still can tightline with it, because it's not a super chunky Like, let's just show you, let me just show you my like e.l.f. one, which I put this in my waterline, and these last in the waterline, okay? I don't use them as like eyeshadow sticks because they will crease, but these last in the waterline. But yeah, that was what I got in my Boxycharm by Ipsy. Let me know if you subscribe to Boxycharm by Ipsy or you subscribe to just the Ipsy land bag icon box. The icon box, I'll let you know my feelings in my next video. My next Ipsy video. My next video will be my the FabFitFun, all the customization spoilers. So stay tuned for that. Again, subscribe if you don't want to miss out on like cruelty-free vegan content. Also some opinions on makeup products. If I like them or if I don't like them. I only give honest opinions, but I try to be as respectful as possible. So as always, stay safe, healthy, and always do something that makes you happy.